All right, we're out at Mr. Gaumer's property. It is October 11th, 2023. It's currently 69 degrees out. Insurance approved a repair on this roof, so we're just looking at, is this shingle repairable? This is one of the damaged shingles in question, so we're just going to start by unsealing the shingles so we can remove the nails. And I'm just using a simple roofing tool pry bar. I'm going to be doing this as carefully as possible. All right, now I'm just gonna check underneath the shingles to see if there's any material transfer. We do have some here. Oh, hold on. So we have some material transfer here on this shingle. You can see to where it's transferred from underneath the shingle to the top of the shingle. So this shingle is not repairable, but we're going to continue to go on. As you can see, each of these shingles, material is transferred on almost every single one. We're gonna stop the video and just take photos so you guys can have a closer look at what we're seeing. All right, so this is video number 2. We just stopped the video to take photos of the material transfer, but we're still going to continue to try to see if this roof is still repairable, even though we found material transfer. So I'm just going to start by removing the nails. Just by trying to remove this one nail already, it's pulled through, which by manufacturer specs, this roof is not repairable. So we have the shingle removed now. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of material transfer on this shingle here and all throughout. And again, we're going to stop the video, take photos for documentation, and we'll start another video. All right, so we have all the nails out now. This is the new shingle, the 3-tab shingle that we're going to slide in here and fasten to the roof. Please stay. Now I'm going to show you where I'm going to start fastening the nails in. Manufacturer spec requires 4 nails per shingle. We're going to start with the outside, and I just want to show you my nail striking zone and the minimum height requirement it requires for me to lift this shingle to strike this nail. This is about 45 degrees. So I'm going to begin nailing this in. Again, just by barely lifting that shingle, you can see there's some degranulation up here. And the shingle's starting to degranule because it's brittle. You can see it's degranuling here on this one as well. So you can see we have all of the nails in, they're fastened, the shingle's in place, but as we were installing the shingle has begun to degranule in several places. With that and the material transfer, this roof is no longer repairable. Thank you.